All right, guys, welcome back to the School Food Rocks Training and Innovation Center. Chef Joe here with Chefs Kim and Eli, and today we're serving up something bright, refreshing, and packed with protein. Our orange turkey salad made with Butterball turkey tenderloin medallions and tossed in a sweet Kikkoman Gluten-Free Orange Sauce. This is a colorful, cold salad that's perfect for any school menu, and students are looking for a lighter lunch option. Chefs, you ready to get to work?
Yes, sir.
Let's go. All right, and that's our orange turkey salad. It's light, colorful, and full of fresh flavor. It's a great option for any school menu, and it's a great way to keep kids excited about salad day. This recipe provides 2-ounce meat alternate, half a cup of dark green, quarter cup of red orange, and a quarter cup of legumes. You're gonna find it in our Healthy Pro system under recipe number 1792950. That's it for today, guys. Thanks for joining us at the School Food Rocks Training and Innovation Center. See you next time.